Canadian man charged for orchestrating $42 million crypto fraud scheme luring users on Discord. Crypto fraud. U.S. SEC. The Federal Bureau of Investigation separately released a statement seeking to identify potential victims of the fraud. Author. Sujha Sundararajan. Author. Sujha Sundararajan. Part of the team since June 2023. About author. Sujha has been recognized as Purple Circle Women in Crypto 2024 Purple Circle by BeInCrypto for her leadership in crypto journalism. Has also written, Gemini clears key CFTC approval to launch prediction market platform in U.S. Tajikistan imposes criminal penalties for crypto miners using stolen power. Asset manager Strive launches $500 million stock sales to purchase more Bitcoin. U.S. spot BTC ETFs bleed $60.4 million as altcoin capital flows increase. OCC head advocates for equal treatment of crypto firms in bank chartering process. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 7 minutes ago. U.S. federal prosecutors have charged a 26-year-old Canadian citizen in connection with a $42 million fraud scheme, claiming to raise funds for investments in crypto, TradFi markets. Nathan Govan lured individuals on the social media platform Discord, directing investors to put their money into Gray Digital Capital Management Incorporated and its Gray Fund products. Multimillion-dollar scheme targets investors on Discord. According to the indictment announced by the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of New York, Govan gave false information to a fintech firm to secure $800,000 in credit. He then used the funds to pay for personal expenses, including for a private club in London. In total, Govan fraudulently raised more than $42 million from Gray Digital investors and obtained more than $800,000 in credit from lenders. An SEC announcement read. Per the prosecutors, the defendant used most of the money to pay previous investors, buy luxury goods and pay his credit card bills. Govan exploited the trust of his online followers to perpetrate a brazen fraud, said Jamie Marinaro, Associate Director of the SEC's Fort Worth Regional Office. Authorities arrested Govan in England on Wednesday on a provisional arrest warrant. The U.S. SEC has also filed for securities fraud charges. The regulator noted that the accused continued to submit false documents to the SEC during regulatory investigations. Further, the Federal Bureau of Investigation separately released a statement seeking to identify potential victims of the fraud. Victims may be eligible for certain services, restitution, and rights under federal and/or state law, the FBI said. Crypto fraud that ran for over 2 years. The indictment said that from May 2022 to October 2024, Govan and others enticed investors to put money into Gray Digital and Gray Fund. Among the companies, the flagship fund purported to offer investors a strategy that blends TradFi, traditional finance, and DeFi, decentralized finance. The defendant allegedly misrepresented Gray Digital's performance by providing falsified documents to investors. He also claimed that the Gray Fund generated double-digit monthly returns and held over $78 million in assets. However, in reality, the fund had a monthly compounded return of approximately 1.4% and assets were far lower than claimed. Later, there was a second scheme that started in May 2024, which touted a seed stock offering in Gray Digital at $30,000 per share. At the time, Govan said the company had a $60 million valuation and more than $12 million in annual revenue. The SEC has sought disgorgement of ill-gotten gains with prejudgment interest, civil penalties, and conduct-based injunctions against Nathan Govan. Investors should always verify the credentials of anyone offering investment opportunities, especially when those opportunities are promoted through social media or online communities. SEC's Marinaro warned. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions, Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference, real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Panic sets in as XRP drops again, but this signal says a massive bounce could be coming. XRP price prediction. $100 million whale dump hits just before breakout. Can retail buying stop the bleed? XRP price prediction. $716 million floods into crypto funds. Why are institutions quietly buying XRP right now? Price analysis. Live Bitcoin price reacts to Fed's 25 BPS rate cut. Will Powell's guidance shift crypto markets? 17 hours ago. By Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, Solana by the end of 2025. 8 hours ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Bitcoin News. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin playbook backfires on 100-plus companies. 3 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 14 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 22 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 9 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. Just now. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Ben Beto.